Title: Why I Keep Failing My Goals and What Changed Everything. I used to set goals every week. This time I'll do it, I told myself. But every time, I failed again. Not because I didn't want it, but because I was trying too hard in the wrong way. Footage of someone working late, exhausted. I kept pushing, chasing perfection, waiting for motivation to stay forever. But motivation fades, and every time it left, I stopped, thinking I had failed again. Sunrise, soft, hopeful tone. Then one day, I realized something simple. Success isn't built in big leaps. It's built in tiny steps repeated daily. Even on days you don't feel ready. Even when nobody sees your progress. Visuals of slow progress, graph rising slowly. I stopped asking, how fast can I reach my goal? And started asking, can I do one small thing today that my future self will thank me for? That question changed everything. Calm music builds up, light shines. Now, even if I fail again, I fail forward. Because failure doesn't mean I'm not growing. It just means I'm still learning how to become the person who doesn't quit. Ending message on screen. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Because success isn't found in your first try. It's built every time you try again.